This is hopefully a very short video on how to do the assignments. You would have received the links to assignment 1 and assignment 2 by now. And this link you might have got it either through the videos or through Slack or through email or through this classroom. The first step which you are expected to do is click on the link for the assignment. Once you click on that link, you will come to this particular page which says accept the assignment 1, XOR verification. And this would be the name of your repo. And the last part of your repo is basically your GitHub username. So all you have to do on this page is click on accept this assignment. Do not go into this organization, try to find the assignment and forget. It will break things. Accept this assignment. Once you have accepted the assignment, it will take a second or two to configure your repo. So just refresh the page and you'll see that it has created a repo for you under Learn cocotb assignment 1 XOR verification and your GitHub username. So just click on it. You'll come to this page. This has the RTL code, dummy test code, a makefile, and it will say that this is an initial commit from the GitHub classroom. And if you go on Actions tab, you'll find that it has fired something. If you go into the verification part of this, you will find that it has run the steps. If you come down over here, it will give you the test results. Okay, now one thing to check over here is that whether it has generated the waveforms and uploaded them. So check whether the waveforms were generated. And in this case, you'll find a warning that no files were found. And that is because we just checked out the repo. We have not coded anything. The next step is you go to code. Either you can go to test and start coding directly within the browser, or else you come over here, copy this. So it is git clone, git at github.com, learn cocotb, assignment 1, XOR verification, and then your username .git. Let's clone the assignment. You might use whatever editor you want, set up the virtual environment. Source or activate the virtual environment. Once that is done, install cocotb. So once the setup is done, let us say I use VS Code for editing. So I will just say code tests duty test.py. And for example, let us say that all I do is just change this assertion statement and nothing else. Okay, and if I save this code now, manage trust. So we have trusted this. Let's go back. And now this is saying 1K plus files. Other than the first file, we have not changed any of the other files. Remember, these are not files which we have changed. Do not commit. Typically, what happens is when you click on commit over here, it will say there are no staged changes to commit. Would you like to stage all your changes and commit them directly? Do not say always. It will commit all these files which you have not created. If you are working on a project and you do this, you will break the workflow of each and every person in your team. They might be using a different OS, they might be using different versions of Python. And if you commit your Python code and your environment, the next time they pull your changes, it will break their work area. Please do not click on always. Click on never. And then just select the one file that you have changed and stage that. Now when you say commit, it will just commit this. Let's give the commit message. Okay. And we are seeing the changes. Now once you have submitted your code, the next thing which you need to do is you need to go down to actions. There will be an action with your name. Click on that. Check this. There will be a JUnit test report. So if you had cloned the repo before, you might not get this. If you have accepted the assignment recently, you'll get this. And this will tell you whether your test has passed or failed. So here it says 1 test run, 0 pass, 0 skipped, 1 failed. Fix the test case so that it passes. Go into verification. Check whether the artifacts were uploaded. If the artifacts were not uploaded, you'll get this warning, which means waveforms were not generated. Your submission is incomplete. Please go and fix it so that waveforms are generated. When you send me a message saying that you have completed the assignment, I expect this string to be sent along with the message. And what I will do is I will come to this repo. I will append whatever string you have given. I will come over here. I will go directly to action and look at the latest run and see for two things. One is this. If this is not there, I will go into verify. I will check the status of make and I will see whether the test has passed or failed. That is check number one. Check number two, I will check for the artifact. If it is not uploaded, it's a problem. If it is uploaded, I will open the waveform and I will check the waveform. So for example, if we take the tutorial courses that we have been going through, when I go to action, there is something which is uploaded in artifacts, and I should be able to go to my latest job. Scroll down, find this folder over here. Unzip this file. If I take the case of or, when I say gtk wave or.vcd and I pull out the waveform, this is the next check that I do whether I get the required pattern 000, 011, 101, and 111. So before you submit, please do this set of checks. First, ensure that you have not submitted files which should not be there. Only those files which you have modified should be a part of your submission. Generated files should not appear over here. Next, go to Actions. Check whether your test has passed and whether the waveform has been uploaded. If you have any questions or any doubt, please drop a message and we'll try to figure it out. Bye. Have a nice day.